Alright, y'all. It's sunny outside finally, and we're in Childress, Texas now. Planning to go film an older car wash here. There is a backup place here that I think I might end up going to that one instead, because the main one that I want to check out here has been broken a lot. So just hope I can find it. Here it is. There's no comb, but it's got a red light on it. And you do a slight U-turn and then go to it. Yeah. I would not be surprised at all if it's still broken, because it probably is. Can I make it? No. At the very least, we'll be able to just drive through and get a look at it. So this is Cowboy Car Wash. Not $15. Oh no, I guess it is working. That's expensive. So yeah, it looks like finally I get to film a QuickSilver.
Car wash, make a wash selection, and enter your method of payment.
Finally, I get to film one of these. Okay, the glare in the windshield's gonna make this really annoying. To get a good thumbnail. I think I'm just going to do that. Alright. 10, 12, 14, 15. There's a better description of the packages over here. Pause to read. Oh, it takes 20s. Okay. But that means a lot more quarters.
You have selected the Ultimate Car Wash. Please deposit $15.
I might be splitting up my quarters in this one. Well, we will see. Alright, time for quarters. Oh wait, it says tokens over the quarters. I'm just gonna put one to make sure it works. Okay, that went to the return. How about the other slot? No. Okay, it won't take quarters. I will just do 1 by 5s then.
Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
After 3 attempts trying to film a QuickSilver, we'll make actually 2. Finally, here's a working one. You can see the buzzer up there on top of the lights. Well, I guess for the backup place, I'll film that coming back down in a few months. So far, so good. This one seems to work pretty well despite how unreliable these machines are. Double application of trifoam and rocker panel blasters. Very nice, very nice. I would say just like the i5000, I think this also comes in like several colors. I know blue and yellow for sure, and I think maybe red and stainless. Pretty big machine. It seemed to do pretty good. Success! Finally filled the QuickSilver. then I can just easily go in right out of here. Watch the dip though. Well, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. That'll be it.